This is a little video on how to put your book covers on this mock-up. And so I'm going to start with how you figure out how big to make your book cover. So these are the two layers that we're going to be working with right here. They're inside the mock-up folder. And I'm going to double click this little corner of the thumbnail. It's going to open up the first one, and I'm going to go to File and Save As. I could also go to Image Size and figure out, and write down the size, but why not just save it? So I'm going to save it on my desktop. Make sure you save it as a Photoshop file, and I'm going to name it cover because it's the cover. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to close this up, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the spine and save that also. So File, Save As, save it again to the desktop, called Spine, and again save it as a Photoshop file. Okay, so now I have both of those saved to my desktop, and so I can open them up, I can make my design. And then after you have designed the cover and the spine, it's really easy to paste them in. What you want to do is just double click again the cover, and I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Place Embedded. I'm going to find my design that I made. I'm going to use the one from class called cover, and I'm going to place that in. It should be exactly the right size. I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to close this up. It's going to ask me if I want to save it, and I do. And that'll close up the smart object and place the cover on both of the books. And then I simply do the same thing with the spine. I double click the thumbnail, go to File, go to Place Embedded, and find the spine. I need a new mouse. This mouse is sucking. Hit return and close it up. Do I want to save it? I do. And there is my book cover. You can also turn off this background, and if you wanted to, you could replace this background with something else. So you could either replace it with a different color, a different image, something like that, or a different color background. I can go back here and say, I think it would look better with a gray background like that. And this is the shadow. And that's it. Save it, and then show your work as a flat file of the cover and spine, and then so that we can see it flat, because when it's mocked up like this, you can't really see it perfectly, especially the spine. And that's it. That's how you do your book mock-up. Okay, see you later. Bye.